The three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order are A, B and C. Find the coordinates of fourth vertex D. So we have a parallelogram ABCD. Coordinates of A are -1, 2, coordinates of B are 3, 6, coordinates of C are 5, 10. Suppose coordinates of D are x, y. Let D equal to x, y. We know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. We know that diagonals of parallelogram, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में पैरेललोग्राम को ऐसे लिख दीजिए आप. We know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. This means OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. So O is midpoint of AC and O is midpoint of BD. So this implies midpoint of BD equal to midpoint of AC. Midpoint of BD यानी O equal to midpoint of AC. How can we find midpoint? If PQ is a line segment, coordinates of P are x1, y1, coordinates of Q are x2, y2, then coordinates of midpoint are given by x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Add x coordinates and divide by 2. Add y coordinates, divide by 2. Simple. So midpoint of BD is x plus 3 upon 2, x plus 3 upon 2, comma y plus 6 upon 2, y plus 6 upon 2. Midpoint of BD, midpoint of AC, -1 plus 5 upon 2, comma 2 plus 10 upon 2. Compare x coordinate with x coordinate and y coordinate with y coordinate. So x plus 3 upon 2 equal to -1 plus 5 upon 2. This implies 2 will cancel 2. So x equal to what? देखिए x plus 3 upon 2 equal to -1 plus 5 upon 2. So x plus 3 equal to -1 plus 5. X equal to -1 plus 5 minus 3. X equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 1. X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate y plus 6 upon 2 equal to 2 plus 10 upon 2. 2 will cancel 2. So y plus 6 equal to 12. So y equal to 12 minus 6 equal to 6. So D equal to x comma y, or what is x comma y? X is 1 and y is 6. So coordinates are 1, 6. फिर से समझ लो आप. We know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. A is -1, 2, B is 3, 6, C is 5, 10, D is x comma y. Suppose let D x comma y. Since diagonals of parallelogram parallelogram bisect each other. So midpoint of BD equal to midpoint of AC. What is formula midpoint? X1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So midpoint of BD x plus 3 upon 2, x plus 3 upon 2 comma y plus 6 upon 2 equal to midpoint of AC minus 1 plus 5 upon 2. So minus 1 plus 5 upon 2. Y coordinate 2 plus 10 upon 2. 2 plus 10 upon 2. Compare x coordinate and y coordinate. X plus 3 upon 2 equal to minus 1 plus 5 upon 2 this. Y plus 6 upon 2 equal to 2 plus 10 upon 2 this. 2 will cancel 2. X plus 3 equal to minus 1 plus 5. Shift 3 into RHS, it will be minus 3. So we have x equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Here y 2 will cancel 2. Y plus 6 equal to 2 plus 10 12. So y equal to 12 minus 6 equal to 6. So coordinates of D are x comma y equal to 1 comma 6.